Mga idolo, hindi lang basta talo, dinurog ang Lakers. At ang mas nakakatakot, parang walang sagot ang Lakers sa ginawa ng OKC. Isipin mo to, perfect sa 3 si Chet Holmgren. At ang ating kababayan na si Jared McCain nagpaulan ng 3 points sa huling quarter. Parang training game na lang para sa OKC ito, mga idolo. Kung ikaw ay Lakers fan, kabahan ka na dahil kung ganito ulit sa game 2, baka hindi lang talo, baka masweep pa ito. At malinaw na ipinakita ng Oklahoma City Thunder na hindi na sila future team, sila na ang ngayon. Samantala ang Lakers halatang naapektuhan sa isang malaking bagay. Walang Luka sa lineup at doon nagsimula ang problema.
Hello guys, welcome!
Yo, what's up mga idolo? Welcome back sa ating channel. Si Chet Holmgren ang naging game changer. 24 points, 12 rebounds, perfect sa 3-point line. Hindi lang scoring, binago niya ang buong depensa ng Lakers. Pinapalabas niya ang bigs, binubuksan ang driving lanes, at pinapahirapan ng rotations. Resulta, wasak ang defensive system ng Lakers.
Two more. Holmgren, a three. Big to big triple. Quickness to them. Holmgren inside. They lost him. Backed away by Reeves. Holmgren. Again. The push ahead. Hartenstein.
Para naman kay SGA, controlled killer to. 18 points, hindi flashy pero sobrang efficient. Siya ang nagdidikta ng tempo, walang pilit na tira, laging nasa control. Ito ang klase ng player na hindi mo napapansin na tinatalo ka na pala.
A 16-8 run since that game was tied at 93. Leads by 8 final half minute. Game 1 of that series. Dort inside SGA with the punch. And a timeout taken. 3. Back to Gilgeous-Alexander right around Hayes.
At ating kababayan, Jared McCain, ang X-Factor. Dito nagulat ang lahat. Rookie. Pero walang kaba. Sunod-sunod ang tres, mga idolo. Tuwing lalapit ng Lakers, boom! Another 3. Momentum killer ang ating kababayan.
They get the better of play. Last few minutes, McCain will pull 3. Knock it down!
And struggles without Luka being in this series and on the floor. It's very difficult. Again, McCain knocks down another 3.
Play. Last few minutes, McCain will pull 3.
At AJ Mitchell, silent damage. 18 points, efficient scoring. Isa pang patunay na malalim ang OKC rotation.
And what happens behind it? Mitchell hit a 3 and he got fouled. Normal numbers.
Yeah, shooting 58% from 3 in that Houston series.
AJ Mitchell putting the moves on 8, leaving for Holmgren who fumbles, caught, stuck.
At para naman sa Lakers side, LeBron is still a monster. Parang hindi tumatanda si Lolo Bron, mga idolo. 27 points, kahit edad niya, siya pa rin ang bumubuhat. Pero real talk, hindi na pwedeng siya lang.
James on the back down, using a size advantage to get inside on Payson Wallace, who just 8 in the first quarter. Here looking to score. James last time out. James initiates from the top at Hartenstein and 1. Smart keeps it alive. LeBron lines it up, knocks it down. SGA go again, trying to draw contact. Hit ahead to James.
Rui Hachimura, 18 points, solid support, pero kulang sa consistency overall team.
So James is free, moves it to Hachimura. 4-3. Time to beat Jackson Hayes, outstretched arm. Smart going to work. Good cut.
Mga idolo, walang Luka equals walang balance. Ito ang malaking factor. Walang secondary playmaker, walang consistent shot creator, walang control sa pace. Resulta, nagiging predictable ang Lakers offense. Mga idolo, the real killer, ang OKC transition. Ito ang tunay na dahilan ng tambakan. Kapag miss na ang Lakers, takbo agad ang Oklahoma City Thunder. Kapag turnover, easy points agad. At sa fourth quarter, dito sila tuluyang nadurog. Bakit? Pagod na Lakers, hindi makasabay sa bilis, open shots everywhere. Ito ang modern NBA. Bilis plus spacing equals panalo.
Jalen Williams.
He has scored the last 6. Pocket pass for Ayton, broken up. It's Caruso, smart chasing. Not gonna get there. Timeout Lakers. Mr. April.
At mga idolo, why Lakers got destroyed? Ito ang top reason. Una na rito, walang Luka, playmaking gap. Pangalawa, hindi makasabay sa pace. At pangatlo, walang sagot kay Chet Holmgren. Pang-apat, defensive breakdowns. At ang panghuli, transition defense equals 0. Mga idolo, kung gusto pa ng Lakers makabawi, kailangan nila ng malaking pagbabago. Una na rito ang slow the game down. Huwag sabayan ng bilis ng OKC. Mga bata yan, mga idolo. Control yung half-court sets, shot clock usage, limit turnovers. Goal, alisin ang transition ng OKC. Pangalawa, attack Chet physically. Huwag hayaang comfortable si Chet Holmgren. Gawin ang post-up plays, drive sa katawan niya, force fouls. Kapag napaupo siya, laking bawas sa OKC nito. At bigyan sa poste si DeAndre Ayton. Traditional big man to. Pangatlo, defensive priority, lalo na sa mga shooters. No more open threes, kailangan tight closeouts, better communication, switch discipline. Pang-apat, step up role players. Hindi pwedeng LeBron lang at si Rui Hachimura lang lagi. Kailangan lahat may ambag, lalo na si Luke Kennard. Kailangan ng 3-point shooting niya. At si Marcus Smart, kailangan ng depensa niya. Pang-5, rotation adjustment. Mag-experiment ang coach. Options, bigger lineup, small ball switch, more defensive players. Para sa Game 2 prediction, mga idolo, kung walang magiging adjustment, OKC ulit to. Kung maayos ang execution, possible close game. Chance for Lakers bounce back. Pero ngayon, sa pinapakita ng Lakers kontra OKC, ang OKC ang may control ng series. Kung Lakers fan ka, makakabawi ba sila sa Game 2 sa tingin mo, mga idolo? O ito na ang simula ng pagkatalo nila? Comment down below kung Team Lakers ka o Team OKC. At kung gusto mo pa ng ganitong klase ng analysis, walang filter, walang bias, mag-like ka na at subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell button. Dahil dito sa channel na ito, basketball ang tunay na panalo.
Again.
McCain, Mitchell, right back. McCain, do it again. Oh, yeah. Trade for McCain with Philadelphia back on January 4th. Reeves, fouled by Hartenstein. Caruso keeps it going. And Holmgren.
Because of that, only one timeout left here.
James on the cut from the corner. Shot clock still at 8. Gilgeous Alexander pitches it out to Williams. Jalen Hachimura straight on and 3. Oklahoma.
Lakers 17 turnovers for 17 in this series and on the floor. It's very difficult. Again, McCain knocks.
James knocks down the 3.
Once again, this is your Spotlights in Sports. Maraming salamat mga ka-sports.
Parang may mali na naman ah. Once again, this is your Spotlight and Sports. Maraming salamat mga ka-sports.